Chrysophytes, euglenoids, dinoflagellates, and slime molds are included in which among the following kingdom? The correct answer is option B, Protista. Protista is a kingdom of primarily unicellular organisms that do not fit into other kingdoms such as plants, animals, or fungi. Now, coming to Protista, they are a diverse group that includes various types of algae, protozoa, and slime molds. Now, coming to the rest of the options, option A, Monera. Monera is a kingdom which includes a prokaryotic organisms such as bacteria and archaea. So, option A is incorrect. Option C, fungi. Fungi are a separate kingdom consisting of the organisms like mushroom, yeast, mold, and they are distinct from the Protista kingdom. Option D, Animalia. Animalia includes the multicellular organisms that are heterotrophic and they do not typically exhibit the characteristics of protist. So option D is incorrect. The answer is option B.